Here is our chapter practice page for chapter 13, page number 685. Take it out and follow along. We're going to talk all about the different ways we measure things. Now, you know when we have our chapter practice that we're preparing for a test. Chapter 13 test will be on Thursday. So let's really make our brains strong. Click it on. Little green number 1, right here at the apple. Okay, take a look at these two items here. Name them, a door and a chair. Now I want you to circle the taller item / the shorter item. Same thing over here with little green fish number 2. Circle the taller item / the shorter item. Easy peasy, you should have it done. Taller, shorter. Taller, shorter. What is this? It's a dog. What is this? A cat. All right, so look at these two, number 3 and number 4. Look. Circle the longer carrot / the shorter carrot. All right, did you do it? Okay, look at these crayons. Are they the same? Are they equal? Thumbs up if they are, thumbs down if they're not. Yeah, now I'm going to take my fingers just to be sure. Nope, they are not. So you should have circled thumbs down. Which one is longer? Yeah, this one looks like it's brand new. Look at that detail. See how it has a tip on it? This one looks like it's been used. So let's slash it. It is shorter. Now, little green star number 5. Draw a string that holds the same number of beads as this string that is shown. Okay, and how do you know it will hold the same number of beads? So what are you going to do? Are you drawing that string? Now I know if I want it to hold the same number of beads as the one they've drawn, I want to make it the same length. You see how I took my finger and I checked it? Yes. So both of these strings would hold the same number of beads because they are the same length. All right, take a look at our numbers. Here's our cubes. Okay, now if you have a red crayon, go ahead and color the right number of cubes. What's this number? 7. Color it in. Now I'm only going to do the circles, just like we always used to do in class. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how many here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now our directions say, look at both of those bars. I want you to circle the number that is more, it's longer, it's greater, / the number that is less or shorter. Okay, which one's longer? Which one's shorter? Okay, go down here. Same thing. Are you coloring? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, are you coloring? What number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now compare those cubes. Compare these numbers. Which one is longer? 10. Which one is shorter? 9. Okay, go down here to little green flag number 8. Look at these two containers of milk. Okay, think about it. You're holding one in one hand and one in the other. Which way are you tipping? You're the balance. Is your body tipping? I hope this side is way down. Look how heavy that will be. Okay, I want you to circle the container that is heavier, slash the container that is lighter. All right, number 9, look at those footballs. You're the balance. Put this football in your left hand. Put this football in your right hand. Are you holding them? Are you tipping? Or are they the same? Yes, they are the same. So they both weigh the same amount, don't they? So you should have circled thumbs up. Can we circle or slash? No, they're the same. They're equal. All right, let's take a look at our next sheet. Number 10, that's an acorn. Look at the balance. Look which way you're tipping. This side is up in the air. This side is down. So look at our cubes. You're going to put those cubes in the proper side. Draw a line to match it. Did you do it? Okay. You should have put the 2 here on this side because it is what? Lighter. And what about this one? You should have drawn it here on the side that is down because it's heavier. 2 is less than 4. 2 is lighter than 4. 4 is heavier. Okay? Take a look at our bags of marbles. You see it? Now I'm going to change the directions from the bottom there. I want you to circle the bag of marbles that is heavier. Slash the bag that is lighter. And how do you know? How do you know which one is heavier and which one is lighter? Hopefully you are saying this one is heavier because there's more in it. And when there's more, that makes it heavier. This one only has 3. It has fewer. There are less marbles. So I slashed it. It's lighter. All right, now let's think of these swimming pools. Do you see them? Can you tell which swimming pool has a greater capacity? It holds more. Can you tell which one holds less? Circle the pool that holds more. Slash the pool that holds less. You should have circled the green pool. You should have slashed the red pool. The green one is bigger, so it holds more. The red pool is smaller, so it holds less. Now, look at the coffee mug and the coffee pot, the carafe. Which holds more and which one holds less? Circle the one that holds more. Did you do it? Did you circle the pot? And then you should have slashed the coffee mug. Flip it over. Let's take a look. We have 2 water bottles here. Really look closely. Okay, do the water bottles hold the same amount? Circle thumbs up for yes, thumbs down for no. Now we're going to get really close. Let's see. It looks to me like this one is a little bit bigger than the blue one. The red one is bigger. So I am going to circle thumbs down. They do not hold the same amount. All right, let's take a look at this hairbrush here. You should be on Little Green Butterfly number 15, okay? How can we measure it? What are the different ways we can measure it? Can we use the 10 bars to see if it is tall or long? Yes. Yeah, we can measure the length. Could we put it in the balance and measure how heavy it is? Yes. Can we pour water in it to see how much it would hold? No. If you pour water on that brush, what's going to happen? It's just going to get wet. So slash that out. We cannot measure it using capacity. How about this jug of lemonade, that pitcher of lemonade? Okay, can we measure how tall it is if we turn these cubes going up? Yeah, we could even measure it from side to side. So yes, you can measure it using the cubes. Can we measure how heavy it is? Sure we can. If you were to pick it up with one hand there and feel it, and then put some cubes in your other hand, just like on a balance, it'd probably take quite a few, wouldn't it? But yes, you can measure it using the balance. Could we see how much water would fit in this container, in this pitcher? Yes. It does hold water, or if we had a whole bunch of peanuts or maybe pennies, we could fill that pitcher all the way up and see how many would fit in it. All right, what's this a picture of? Can you tell what that is? It's a cell phone. Can we measure that cell phone and see how tall or how wide it is? Yes. How long it is? Could we see how heavy it is? Sure we could. We could put it in the balance and measure it. Could we put water on it? Oh my goodness, that makes me nervous to even say that. What would happen if we tried to pour water in that phone? Oh my goodness. It would completely ruin that phone. That happened to Mrs. Daniel once. She was so sad. It made me feel bad. All right, let's take a look at number 18 here. It says, circle the objects that have capacity as an attribute. Okay, so which ones of these things can we pour water in it or pour a whole bunch of pennies in it and see how many it would hold? Can we do that with a pineapple? No, not at all. How about a tennis ball? Could we do that? Can we pour water in it and see how much it would hold? No. How about this jug that holds the milk here? That gallon jug. Could we do that? Could we pour water in it or pour pennies in it? Yes, that does measure capacity. How about this can? If this can were open, we take that lid off, could we pour water in it or could we put pennies in it and see how many it would hold? Yes. So a can measure capacity. How about this flour here? Would that be a good thing to measure capacity? No. How about this wastebasket here? Can you tell that's a wastebasket? Yeah. So yes, we could pour pennies in it. Now if we poured water in it, chances are the water would leak out. So we would need, like these pennies here, we could pour a whole bunch in there and see how many it would hold. So yes, it would measure capacity. All right, I think we are ready for that math test tomorrow. What do you think? Go back and practice.